Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Akwaba sunko enkoma wa wohwe me sabre e wotuma GHFD kase yi eso ekes kapa enimidi na ebusiafo Ghana wahala dwumedie na ebre aso se mede ebebe som ahwefo ene etifo na enede yi abrante wa ne din ede Ibrahim Dauda na sududo na edi enim ne se Ibra1 wona meye IG page so bebia eno ne edin atese wo ba ene wobehu ni easy wobehu abrante wakra anase yenua bema ye ka eye ne ho asemi na nansen ntema na se ye ba ye afino ebiye num no wo man hom ne so with eye nsensem ebi that was November ni mu bebe kan nsem bi se ye obi penny kesi bi ebewu na this time around ebeye wo bam ema ebie mu so wo keka ye nsem se ya politicians ni ebi eye enome bia ensem fata wo mu kunkrofo ne won krone ba ema na dodo na ebusa se adabio abrantie yi say ade wa babeda ne eye prophet nyame ebi nani ma ne hu enuoma anase eye denya na ebusuafo ni nyina emu no asempusu abrantie yi ewo ne nsem kaye hu se nsem a wo keke nyina nya de se bia nsusu esie ebia embamu se o start di fi wona bo Kennedy Japan so ebrobro nsem so ade bade nyina chese ni nyina mu ni hu ne nsem bia waka ye beka se we de o kan ye bia na wotwe na ne bosumi bi ana se bia mre kakra bi no na chese ensem no esi ya na se de wokan ye ebe mu de wokan ye bi ni wono ma Ghana obia ate eye eho emframa empose afei ena ebeba ana se enya amansusu de ene obia entimi enche na so sei susu de wasanso aba abontin be woni so no de oba abontin na poster wo de enenam ana se de watchro e de to ne snap ne de keka ho so no ena wo de ebebetu edwam na se ya de wo se Owusu Bempa prophet ana se Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa is about to be disgraced. Esan say angels will use so for the evil works no woman any to me be so Owusu Bempa is about to be disgraced as angels that he uses for his evil works have no more powers. We ene nsemo wodi etu edwam na ebusuafo enye eno nkwan wo sanso ejirema na chese wo dwen wa wo tiatem se ye mampanyin his excellency na nadodankwa Akufo Addo wotimitina wono manipa baako na se Reverend Owusu Bempa wo gina ho se ankore no wono etimi den manipulating no dada no chi na dwen kwabisuma just wono so fall for the trap ma wodi ne nsama wo kan so no aya no wodi eho eya pa na na nim guase mechem ye papa Reverend Owusu Bempa na nim guase no ye hwe nim say from January 7th 2021 next year January 7th 2021 sa breno na sa esum na ba no ebeba ba bedru no bra chese ya swearing in ye mampanyin na nadanko Akufo Addo ebia chese wo ba bebu o man no so no sa ye breno ananse sa mpofri mu no ho na chese ye wo no susu nanim guase ene ne tu a ebeda adie no Nyankopon so ebe yi ne to aba chese wo bia hunu ahonhom angels ahonhom wo mu frɛ Awurade a woni wo mu edi dwuma ni nyina no wo mu nyina eto ebeba ababa bededi na ebusuafom ne post no mama menkenkan ebi emfa ema mo say Owusu Bempa is about to become the biggest disgrace in Ghana starting from January 7th. All those dark angels that he uses for his evil works have no more powers. #Ibra1 and our son so said, how can a whole president of Ghana be deceived by such a liar? Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo allowed Owusu Bempa, led him astray. I'm sure he will be a great I'm sure this will be a great lesson for Nana Addo. We any a year and some of what to a year a Duchess. Apart from say January 7th, Reverend Isaac Usubempa, the 2 bed dear Amagana for you know my pony a 1 year, a whom more will use so any yamia or no one a year Jumanum, a beer more answer so no Yaman penny and another for way ever man and near that one. A best serving as a great lesson. Say, what then want to a year, Yamini Paso, I say, Becca, so Yamini Pa by Ibra one, so no dear. One Yamini person say, Yammy, 2 minutes or the Juman. It's one of no Ebemana, and no this dear Cassia, our 1 woman who said, and you will be our what then Yammy, the Juman, and also where I did no. Well, no any free a year a radi a nutino, wherever a year a futu dear natem, year addition, dear Cassia, de amaya mampany and another. Say next time, one far a year and 1 and 2 will be so sell will be nippany in and so in your mere name with Sini. I have 1 piaman our dinner grab, ever share a yes any panel. Now with dinner another who ya pass or man, a year reverend as you go to the panso, early dinner astray, and answer or man the far quanya. Yes, so now what didn't some to a jar every yano, and Ghana for binum cassation. Ibram one chess a Ghana hanum will be a impunensem, will be a hunensem, say, and some dear way, and some of Faquemuno. Yankan will say, Aquarin Safwa, one more at a year brono, so and more man tell one more information, pan. And yes, we will be at as a window crumeny. Now, free baby and abba. Now we shall go and send me be. Now, you will pay big a crabby demand and suck a crabby demand. Now, catch and say, penny pass mercy. What been saying, what is saying, get to be our bachelor or our woman. And as will be no man any so at the actual Sana Ibra 1. Why, so all can a year and some now you who a young for Sudibia woman as I say, or come be bibia and see ya. And no, my young Jane say, the walk on Yansa and Yansa a woman, and Nutino, Yentia a yen and then the so Janasem, or power your own great information be our being Tieno. Would want to say, not Jumo and a canon or Cassan your just for a year trend. And hype. Now I was your 4 year DS and Namaka say these roofings a boy a tree and on a ban on chance papa a depot and sodium. 1 more a year acadian and Mama Juliet Ventures and so Eka a year will be a ban kitchen appliances, kitchen wares and sodia or a no a before 1 number I will screen so now and 1 more entry train a year and common delivery ye bay a day amawo. Meaning a day a crazy capa, that's the name, ye besan is